Hi, I'm Harmonica Joe. Today I'm going to show you how to play Jesse James in crossharp on the lower holes of your harmonica. So grab your C harp and let's get started. Today I'm playing a harmonica in the key of C, and I'm using a Hohner Marine Band today. Just a standard Hohner Marine Band, the key of C, although any harmonica will work. Jesse James, down in the lower register of the harmonica, we're playing in crossharp, second position. So now draw 2 will be our starting note, or the home bass. And so if you're familiar with crossharp playing, you know that your draw 2 is your home bass, or where you normally start your scale. So it would, on a C harmonica, that's your note. Now this version, to play it in this area of the harmonica, requires one bent note. So you need to be able to bend some notes, but you only need to bend the note draw 3. So the whole draw 3 is the only note you need to be able to bend. And we're bending that down a whole step. So we're playing a key of C harmonica, so that on draw 3 would be the note B, and we're bending that B all the way down to an A. Now you can overshoot that and go a little further. So what you want to do is either get a piano so that you can hear the notes B to A, and so you can dial that in and get it in your ear, or a guitar or something so that you know when your A is in tune. You could also use an electric tuner. You're going to be playing your scale downward. Blow 4 is a C, draw 3 is B, and then draw 3 bent down a whole step is the note A. And then you have your draw 2, which is your G. And that's the tonic of the scale. That's one way to practice it. The other way is, like I suggested, using the piano keys. And I don't have a piano, but if you can use your one hand to play the note on the piano and the other hand on your harmonica if you wanted to make sure that you're getting the right pitch. So that's what you have to do. The tricky part with that is you have to be able to come right in on the note. So I call it a pre-bent note, because you're bending it already before you even attack it. So you're not bending it down to the note, you already have to start with it already bent down a whole step. Okay, so the beginning part is where Jesse James was a lad. We have draw 2, a blow 4, blow 5, another blow 5, draw 4 to a blow 4. Okay, now here's the tricky part. The next part of that line, who killed many a man. So it's draw 2. The next note is your draw 3, pre-bent down a whole step, to a blow 4, another blow 4, then you have another draw 3, pre-bent down a whole step, to a draw 2. Okay, then He Robbed the Glendale Train is pretty straightforward. We have a blow 4, a blow 4, a draw 4, blow 5, blow 4, draw 4. The next part of this is pretty straightforward again. He stole from the rich, draw 4, blow 5, blow 5, draw 4, blow 4. Next part gets a little bit tricky because of the bent note. We have two blow fours in a row. Then we have a draw 3 pre-bent down a whole step to a blow 4, another blow 4, and a draw 2. This next line, heat a hand, a heart, and a brain. Very straightforward. Blow 4, blow 4, blow 5, blow 4, draw 4, blow 5, draw 4, and a blow 4. Now we come to the chorus part. Pretty straightforward. The first line, poor Jesse had a wife. This is just blow 4, and then you have a draw 5, and 5 of those. 5 draw 5s. Okay, pretty straightforward. Then to mourn for his life is blow 4, blow 5, blow 5, draw 4, and a blow 4. The next part, 2 children, they were brave. Draw 2, blow 4, blow 4, blow 5, blow 5, and a draw 4. Okay. Just like in the high range, high register example I taught you, after the words they, were, and brave, I have the little line extending those words out. And that just simply means hold those words out. So they were brave, you want to just hold those out. In the music notation they would be half notes, but we're just using tablature, so we're just going to hold that a little bit longer. The next line, but that dirty little coward, draw 2, blow 4, blow 5, blow 5, another blow 5, draw 4, and a blow 4. And here's probably the trickiest line in the whole song. You have a draw 2, then you have the draw 3 bent down a whole step, pre-bent, blow 4. Now you got that draw 3 pre-bent down a whole step again to a draw 2, and then another draw 2. So the words are "That shot Mr. Howard." Okay, I'll play that again for you. So you hear it on that draw 3 pre-bent down. I'm not bending it down, and I'm not releasing it either. I'm just playing that as a regular note. So that I'm just playing that as the note A. So I'm not bending up. I'm not trying to play it bluesy or anything like that, because it doesn't really work with the melody too well that way. Okay. Then the last line has laid poor Jesse in his grave. Pretty straightforward. We have a blow 4, a blow 5, another blow 5, draw 4, blow 5, draw 4, and the last note is a blow 4. Okay, so that concludes Jesse James, our 2-part series, the high range of the harmonica and the lower range of the harmonica, both played in crossharp or second position. So if you like these types of videos, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell as well, so that way you'll be notified when I come out with some more videos. Leave a comment down in the comment section below if you'd like to, and let me know how it's going for you, and I'll see you on the next video.